Good morning everyone. So we'll be introducing the course that we are offering, that is a partial differential equations for engineers, solution by separation of variables. Now in every process operations, the modeling and simulation is very important, because all the processes, mostly the various process industries, including the chemical process industries, mechanical process industries, heat transfer operations, mass transfer operations, we cannot conduct experiments all the time to see to optimize the system performance. So in order to do that, it is very easy to model. In fact, it is required to model to write down the governing equations of the transport processes of any existing system, so that you can do a proper modeling of the system. So that is the need of modeling. So there is a slight difference between modeling and simulation. Modeling means to write down or to jot down the governing equation of a process, heat transfer, mass transfer, momentum transfer, equation of continuity of the corresponding process in the form of mathematical equations. This set of equations are called the model equations, and the process is known as the modeling. Once model equations are formulated, then these model equations have to be solved numerically or analytically. So this is called simulation. So modeling and simulations are essential and integral part of any designing problem. So there are two aspects. One can design the whole system to attain a targeted outcome of the process, so that the existing machines can be utilized. So that is called the simulation. So we know the dimensions, capacities of all the existing machines and the system, reactors or various units of the process, and we'll be do a simulation. So we'll be optimizing the operating conditions in order to get the targeted value of the production of the product and the quality of the product. And what is simulation? In case of simulation, in case of designing, we will not be having a targeted dimension of the production units. We'll be knowing the process operation and the process streams. So in that case, we'll be looking into the various process parameters over the dimension of the equipments. For example, length of the equipment, area of the equipment. So that and we'll be selecting those dimensions of the equipment to obtain a targeted value of the production and quality of the product. So this is the design problem. This is design problem of a particular process. So therefore, mathematical modeling will be what it will be doing. It will be benefiting us in various way. We need not to waste huge amount of money, manpower, resources, energy to conduct a large number of experiments. Instead of that, if you can really do the modeling of the process properly and carry out a simulation on the computer, then we can do away with all the labors and the money or the finance part that is involved in the process calculation, and we can conduct infinite number of virtual experiments on a monitor. So therefore, modeling is very important for any engineering discipline, for any engineering application. So this course has been offered in view of to teach the students how to model the various process streams, various processes, and will be particularly focusing of analytical solution of model equation, because all the times in various industries one may not have access to computational facilities. So therefore, by doing the analytical mathematics, one can really do a first hand calculations, which will be very good engineering application to get a system performance of any process. Therefore, it's expected that the students who will be registering this course, they will be having the ample opportunity and expertise after doing this course, how to solve various types of model equations by using separation of variables, which will be a very robust analytical technique to get a first-hand information about the how to do a system, how to get a system performance by solving the governing equation of a particular process. This will help immensely in their very perfect design and very effective and efficient design of the process. Thank you very much.